Good morning, children. Once again, welcome back to the online English classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am your Vijithamas. I hope all of you learned the topics very well. Yesterday we have taken the grammar portion. What is it? Yes, this, that, these and those. Have you any doubt regarding that topic? No. So you all of you understood the topic clearly. Am I right? Yeah. So what is the use of this? Yes, this is used to say something that is near to us. And that is used to say something that is far from us. Then these is used to say about some things that is near to us. While those, what is the use of those? Those is used to say some things, plural, some things that is far from us, that are far from us. Clear? Now we will discuss the textual grammar activities. We have to discuss the writing section also. So all of you get ready with your textbook. All of you take page number 4. Section A. Write this is or that is. You have to write this is or that is. First question. Dash the moon. Yes, the boy is showing the moon. The moon is far away from the boy. So the answer is that is. It is already given. That is the moon. Second question. Dash an apple. Apple is in the hand of the boy. So it is near to the boy. So what do we write? This is or that is? What is the answer? Yes, very good. This is. Write the answer. This is an apple. Did you write? Yeah, very good. Third question. Dash a flower. Dash a flower. The flower is in the hand of the girl. So it is near to the girl. So what do we write? This is or that is? Yeah, the answer is this is. T-H-I-S. This is. I-S. So all of you write this is a flower. Fourth question. Dash a rainbow. The girl is showing the rainbow and it is far away from the girl. It is far away. Where do you see this rainbow? Yeah, in the sky. The sky is far away from us. So, what do we write? This is or that is? Yeah, the correct answer, that is. T-H-A-T, that. I-S is. That is a rainbow. All of you take page number 5. Section B. Circle the correct words to complete these sentences. First one. This or these is my aunt. That or those are my cousins. We have already studied this, that, these, those. This and that for singular. These and those for plural. So here first one, what is the answer? Is my aunt. There is only one aunt. That is singular. So we use this. It is already given. Then that or those are my cousins. Cousins, not cousin. So cousins is plural. So we have to use those. All of you circle those. Second one, this or these is my classroom. That or those is my friend Rajat. Here my classroom, that is only one classroom. One means singular. So the answer is yes, this. All of you circle this. This is my classroom. And next, that or those is my friend Rajat. Yeah, only one friend Rajat. So the answer is that. All of you circle that. Yeah. Third one. This or these are my favorite crayons. That or those are pictures I have drawn. See, what is the answer? This or these are my favorite crayons. Favorite crayons. That is plural. So we have to use, yes, these. All of you circle these. Then that or those are pictures I have drawn. Pictures. Is it singular or plural? Pictures. Yeah, plural. So the answer, those. Those are pictures I have drawn. Fourth one. This or these are balloons. That or those is a blue balloon. See the question carefully. Are balloons. Balloons. Plural. So we have to use these. Circle the word these. Next, that or those is a blue balloon. Balloon. Only one. That is singular. So we should write that. That is a balloon. Circle that. Fifth question. This or these are toys. That or those are books. What is the answer? Toys is plural. So we have to use plural these. These are toys. Circle these. Next, that or those are books. Books, plural. So the answer, those. Circle those. Those are books. All of you take page number 8. Writing. Tarun is going to school. Connect the dots and color the bus. Below you can see a picture. We have already studied about Tarun. So Tarun is going to his school. You can see Tarun. He has a bag on his back. And we have already studied that his bag is new. His bag is new. And he is going to school by a bus. A school bus. So what is the color of the school bus? Yeah, yellow. So color the bus yellow. Okay. After that, below you can see some sentences. You have to fill the sentence. Complete these sentences. Now, complete these sentences. First one. First, Tarun wears his school dash. Tarun wears his school uniform. It is blue and white in color. It is already given. Second question. He goes to school in a dash. How does he go to school? Yeah, he goes to school in a bus. School bus. All of you write there. School bus. SCHOOL BUS. School bus. Third question. The bus is dash. Yeah, the bus is, what is the color of the bus? Yellow. So all of you write there yellow. YELLOW. You have already studied this color. Yellow. Next one. He carries a dash on his back. Yes, he carries a new bag on his back. What is the spelling of new bag? N-E-W, new. B-A-G, bag. He carries a new bag on his back. Dear children, today we discussed the textual grammar activities and writing section. So go through the textual activities and complete the exercises. Okay? I have also attached a pronunciation audio. Please listen to it carefully and practice it. How to pronounce these words. Okay? We will meet in another class with another topic. Till then, take care. Thank you.